Alright, so I'm going to show you how to prepare your sausage. Alright, this is it. It's frozen in the freezer. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So since it's frozen, what you do is just to place it in water for it to defroze. Alright, just to place it in water. This is 10. They have different types. They have the one of 12 in it, then we'll have the one of 10. So this is 10 in it sausage. So I'm going to pick one now. Alright, so this is it in my water. After some minutes, as you can see, it's already defrosed. So what I will do is just to bring it out and fry a little. Alright, I'll bring it out and fry a little. That's all. You don't add anything to sausage. Alright, you don't add anything to sausage. Bring it out and fry a little. Alright, so that's what I'll do right now. Alright, so heat up your vegetable oil a little. You can see it, heat it up a little. Then you can now add your sausage to it. This is sausage. This is how it is. Alright, see the color. So I'm going to fry a little. Alright, so this is it. Still frying. Alright, still frying. Alright, so after a few minutes, you can now bring it out. See the color? Alright, so you're done with sausage. This is how to prepare or fry your sausage. You don't take time. Alright, so that's all for your sausage. This is it. Alright, so if you want to prepare your sausage, if it's frozen, you defroze. Then add your groundnut oil, your vegetable oil to your frying pan. Allow it to heat a little, then you can now fry. It doesn't really take time, just few minutes, you are done with sausage. All right.